50-30-20 rule can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's designed to simplify managing your money to give you a good base of personal finance management. It's not necessarily the optimal way to manage your money, but it is a great starting point for beginners. So let's dive in and learn how to apply this rule in your life. The 50-30-20 rule is a straightforward approach to managing your finances. It suggests that you should allocate your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% for needs. These are your essential expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 20% is for savings. This portion goes towards your financial goals, like building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for retirement. 30% is for wants. This is the fun part. You can use this money for non-essential expenses, like dining out, entertainment, or shopping. Now, let's see how we can apply this rule to a real life example in the UK. Let's say your monthly household after-tax income is £2,000. According to the 50-30-20 rule, you should allocate your income as follows. So needs gets 50%, so this is £1,000. Savings, 20%, so that's £400, and wants, which is 30%, is £600. For the savings category, you can start by building an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. In our example, that would be between £3,000 and £6,000. Alternatively, if you have any high interest debt, this is where you would be budgeting money into that instead of into your savings. Finally, the wants category is where you can enjoy your hard-earned money and treat yourself a little bit. With £600 allocated for your wants, you can plan a weekend getaway, like dine out at your favourite restaurants, or buy that new gadget you've had your eye on. Just remember to stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Keep in mind that the 50-30-20 rule is just a guideline. You can adjust the percentages to fit your unique personal situation. For example, if you live in an area with a higher cost of living, such as London, you might need to allocate more than 50% of your income to your needs. Alternatively, if you have a specific financial goal, like saving for a house deposit, you might want to increase the percentage allocated to savings and take the difference from a combination of the needs and the wants categories. By allocating your income into needs, savings, and wants, you can create a balanced budget that allows you to cover your essential expenses, save for the future, and enjoy life along the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Big thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.